Hello everyone and welcome to another update video. These are not as popular, but I enjoy doing them regardless. Today I will share some news about the summer plan for the pop-up controller release and the new OLED display project I'm working on. The original plan to release the Revision D in the summer still stands, although it's now called Revision E, and I have prepared the following timeline for the release. During June I will be stocking the parts, including 20 assembled boards, wing buttons, sleepy eye controls, remote controls, and 100 or so cables. Thankfully I managed to find a local supplier that will build the cables for me, otherwise this would be a lot of work for me. I will also be busy working on the OLED display and preparing a new garage at my dad's place. Then in July I expect a business trip, this time probably for the entire month, and this would be a dead time for the channel and my project. In August, after I return, I plan to release the Revision E. The release would mean that I would let people purchase it at any time. I do hope the 20 set stock will last a little bit, but if not, I will be restocking it, unlike my previous runs like Revision C or the V8, which were limited editions. It's possible the business trip won't happen or it will have a different timing, and in that case the plan will adjust accordingly. I won't go into much detail here, but essentially I redid most of the circuits from scratch and added a couple new ones. Namely, all the resistors and capacitors are now automotive grade, new, more capable motor driver ICs, much more robust sensing circuit, reverse polarity protection, smart switch ICs to protect from short circuits, new better temp sensors, new fault aisle expander that monitors fault signals from the new ICs, and also a redesigned standby power management. Most of these things shouldn't be noticeable in normal use, but in some bad scenarios this board is more likely to survive compared to Revision C due to the more robust ICs. The display is the next product I intend to develop for the 5th gen Celica, and this time it's hopefully not going to take several years. It's meant to be another plug-and-play replacement, this time for the center clock display that sits above the center vents and next to the hazard light switch. I thought about what features it could have and came up with the following list. OLED display with various possible color options, precise time achieved with RTC module and a backup battery, GPS for speed, travel distance, altitude, and time synchronization, voltage measurement mainly for battery voltage level, temperature sensing mainly for inside and outside temperature, Hall effect current sensor. I plan to use this to measure the total amp consumption in the car, CO2 sensor, and easy configuration with phone through a Wi-Fi connection. So, as you can see, it got a little bit out of hand. It's going to be my first time working with GPS and many of the other parts of this circuit, but after all the stuff I learned with the pop-up controller PCB design, I think I got enough experience to get this done. I plan to use this WinStar graphical OLED display module. It comes in several colors, which is quite nice, as this was one of my main requirements, and it is also a graphical display, which is even nicer. You see, with regular character displays, you have these character slots, and they are clearly separated, and you also aren't able to display whatever you want in them. You cannot control each pixel individually. With a graphical display, I can control each individual pixel, which allows me much more freedom, and here's a little mock-up of how some menus could look. And as a bonus, the OLED also has amazing view angles, unlike the LCD displays. Anyway, that is the rough plan for the near future. I'm not planning any videos before I return from the business trip, although with the launch of the 20 Revision E sets, I do plan to make an updated install and demonstration videos. I also got a suggestion to make an LED headlight install tutorial, which I do want to do eventually. If anyone else has any other videos they would like to see, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.